Hello adventurer, welcome to week 124 worksheet 2, and the concept here is decimal multiplication type 2. The first question is 4.0 multiplied by 8.5, two digits in the integral portions and two decimal places in the question. So let's start round number 1 from rod number 2. My left index finger has been placed on rod number 2 for round 1. From right to left it is 8 4s are 32, finger shifted, 8 zeros are 0 0. Round 2 begins from rod number 1, 5 4s are 20, finger shifted, 5 zeros are 0 0, and our answer is 34.00. Question number 2, 3.0 multiplied by 4.0. My finger is on rod number 2. 4 3s are 12, shifted, 4 zeros are 0 0. Round 2 begins now. 0 3s are 0 0, shifted, 0 zeros are 0 0, and the answer is 12.00. Question number 3, 2.8 multiplied by 7.4. Let's begin round 1. 7 2s are 14, shifted, 7 8s are 56. Round 2 begins now. 4 2s are 0 8. So this is 8. We just opened a bridge. Shifted, 4 8s are 32, and the answer is 20.72. Question number 4, 9.6 multiplied by 1.1. Let's begin from rod number 2. 1 9s are 0 9, shifted, 1 6s are 0 6. Round 2 begins now. 1 9s are 0 9, finger shifted, 1 6s are 0 6, and the answer is 10.56. Question number 5, 1.8 multiplied by 7.1. Let's begin from rod number 2. 7 1s are 0 7, shifted, 7 8s are 56. Round 2 begins. 1 1s are 0 1, shifted, 1 8s are 0 8, and the answer is 12.78. Question number 6, 7.3 multiplied by 8.1. Let's begin from rod number 2. 8 7s are 56, shifted, 8 3s are 24. Round 2. 1 7s are 0 7, shifted, 1 3s are 0 3, and the answer is 59.13. Question number 7, 5.0 multiplied by 7.9. Let's begin from rod number 2. 7 5s are 35, shifted, 7 zeros are 0 0. Round 2 begins now from rod number 1. 9 5s are 45, shifted, 9 zeros are 0 0, and the answer is 39.50. Question number 8, 1.8 multiplied by 5.5. Let's begin. 5 1s are 0 5, shifted, 5 8s are 40. Round 2. 5 1s are 0 5, shifted, 5 8s are 40, and the answer is 09.90. Question number 9, 4.1 multiplied by 5.1. Rod number 2 to begin with. 5 4s are 20, shifted, 5 1s are 0 5. Round 2. 1 4s are 0 4, shifted, 1 1s are 0 1, and the answer is 20.91. Question number 10, 7.3 multiplied by 3.1. Round 1. 3 7s are 21, shifted, 3 3s are 0 9. Round 2. 1 7s are 0 7, shifted, 1 3s are 0 3, and the answer is 22.63. Question number 11, 8.51 multiplied by 1.6. Two digits in the integral portions and three decimal places in the question. Let's begin from rod number 2. From right to left, it is 1 8 0 8, shifted 1 5 0 5, shifted 1 1 0 1. Round 2 begins from rod number 1 now. 6 8 48, shifted 6 5 30, shifted 6 1 0 6, and the answer is 13.616. Question number 12, 9.70 multiplied by 5.4. Let's begin from rod number 2. 5 9s are 45, shifted 5 7s are 35, shifted 5 0s are 0 0. Round 2 begins from rod number 1 now. 4 9s are 36, shifted 4 7s are 28, shifted 4 zeros are 0 0, and the answer is 52.380. Question number 13, 2.89 multiplied by 7.0, beginning from rod number 2. 7 2s are 14, shifted 7 8s are 56, shifted 7 9s are 63. Round 2 begins from rod number 1 now. 0 2s are 0 0, shifted 0 8s are 0 0, shifted 0 9s are 0 0, and the final answer is 20.230. Question number 14, 7.58 multiplied by 9.4, beginning from rod number 2. 9 7s are 63, shifted 9 5s are 45, shifted 9 8s are 72. Round 2 begins from rod number 1 now. 4 7s are 28, shifted 4 5s are 20, shifted 4 8s are 32, and the final answer is 71.252. Question number 15, 7.76 multiplied by 1.5. Let's begin from rod number 2. 1 7s are 0 7, shifted 1 7s are 0 7, shifted 1 6s are 0 6. Round 2 begins from rod number 1 now. 5 7s are 35, shifted 5 7s are 35, shifted 5 6s are 30, and the answer is 11.640. Question number 16, 2.59 multiplied by 2.3. Let's begin from rod number 2. 2 2s are 0 4, shifted 2 5s are 10, shifted 2 9s are 18. Round 2 begins now. 3 2s are 0 6, shifted 3 5s are 15, shifted 3 9s are 27, and the answer is 05.957. Question number 17, 5.83 multiplied by 2.8, beginning from rod number 2. 2 5s are 10, shifted 2 8s are 16, shifted 2 3s are 0 6. Round 2 begins now. 8 5s are 40, shifted 8 8s are 64, shifted 8 3s are 24, and the answer is 16.324. Question number 18, 4.00 multiplied by 7.7. Let's begin from rod number 2. 7 4s are 28, shifted 7 zeros are 0 0, shifted 7 zeros are 0 0. Round 2 begins now. 7 4s are 28, shifted 7 zeros are 0 0, shifted 7 zeros are 0 0. Our answer starts from here and ends here. 30.800. Question number 19, 9.73 multiplied by 3.8. Let's begin from rod number 2. 3 9s are 27, shifted. 3 7s are 21, shifted. 3 3s are 09. Round 2 begins now. 8 9s are 72, shifted. 8 7s are 56, shifted. 8 3s are 24, and the answer is 36.974. Question number 20, 3.96 multiplied by 7.1. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 7 9s are 63, shifted. 7 6s are 42. Round 2 begins now. 1 3s are 03, shifted. 1 9s are 09, shifted. 1 6s are 06, and the answer is 28.116. Question number 21, 6.5 multiplied by 3.66, visualizing the smaller number on the right side and the bigger one on the left side. Round 1 begins from round number 2. 6 3s are 18, shifted. 6 6s are 36, shifted. 6 6s are 36. Round 2 begins from round number 1. 5 3s are 15, shifted. 5 6s are 30, shifted. 5 6s are 30, and the answer is 23.790. Question number 22, 6.1 multiplied by 3.10, visualizing the smaller number on the right side and the bigger one on the left side. Let's begin from round number 2. 6 3s are 18, shifted. 6 1s are 06, shifted. 6 zeros are 00. Round 2 begins from round number 1. 1 3s are 03, shifted. 1 1s are 01, shifted. 1 zeros are 00, and the final answer is 18.910. Question number 23, 8.5 multiplied by 4.26. Let's begin from round number 2. 8 4s are 32, shifted. 8 2s are 16, shifted. 8 6s are 48. Round 2 begins now. 5 4s are 20, shifted. 5 2s are 10, shifted. 5 6s are 30, and the answer is 36.210. Question number 24, 3.5 multiplied by 7.76. Let's begin from round number 2. 3 7s are 21, shifted. 3 7s are 21, shifted. 3 6s are 18. Round 2 begins now. 5 7s are 35, shifted. 5 7s are 35, shifted. 5 6s are 30, and the answer is 27.160. Question number 25, 7.6 multiplied by 2.74. Let's begin from round number 2. 7 2s are 14, shifted. 7 7s are 49, shifted. 7 4s are 28. Round 2 begins now. 6 2s are 12, shifted. 6 7s are 42, shifted. 6 4s are 24, and the answer is 20.824. Question number 26, 7.9 multiplied by 7.53. Let's begin. 7 7s are 49, shifted. 7 5s are 35, shifted. 7 3s are 21. Round 2 begins now. 9 7s are 63, shifted. 9 5s are 45, shifted. 9 3s are 27, and the answer is 59.487. Question number 27, 1.2 multiplied by 6.28, beginning from rod number 2. 1 6 is 0 6, shifted. 1 2 is 0 2, shifted. 1 8 is 0 8. Round 2 begins now. 2 6 is 12, shifted. 2 2 is 0 4, shifted. 2 8 is 16, and the answer is 07.536. Question number 28, 6.8 multiplied by 4.93, beginning from rod number 2. 6 4s are 24, shifted. 6 9s are 54, shifted. 6 3s are 18. Round 2 begins now. 8 4s are 32, finger shifted. 8 9s are 72, finger shifted. 8 3s are 24, and the answer is 33.524. Question number 29, 3.7 multiplied by 2.69. Let's begin from rod number 2. 3 2s are 0 6, shifted. 3 6s are 18, shifted. 3 9s are 27. Round 2 begins from rod number 1. 7 2s are 14, shifted. 7 6s are 42, shifted. Finally 7 9s are 63, and the answer is 09.953. Question number 30, 5.6 multiplied by 9.04, beginning from rod number 2. 5 9s are 45, shifted. 5 zeros are 0 0, shifted. 5 4s are 20. Round 2 begins now. 6 9s are 54, shifted. 6 zeros are 0 0, shifted. 6 4s are 24, and the answer is 50.624. So we have reached question number 31. From question number 31 to 45, these are of mixed type, mixed multiplication types. Question number 31 says 9.1 multiplied by 4, 2 digits in the integral portions. Let's take rod number 2 to begin with. From right to left, it is 4 9s are 36, shifted. 4 1s are 0 4, and the answer is 36.4. Question number 32, 9 multiplied by 7.00. So we can visualize 9 on the right side and 7.00 on the left side. So it becomes 9 multiplied by 700 after we place the finger correctly on rod number 2. So 9 7s are 63, finger shifted. 9 zeros are 0 0, shifted. 9 zeros are 0 0, and the answer is 63.00. Question number 33, 39.2 multiplied by 9. Let's place the finger on rod number 3. 9 3s are 27, finger shifted. 9 9s are 81, finger shifted. 9 2s are 18, and the answer is 352.8. Question number 34, 2 multiplied by 15.90. Let's visualize 2 on the right side and 15.90 on the left side. So now placing the left index finger on rod number 3, because there are 3 digits in the integral portions. Now 2 1s are 0 2, shifted. 2 5s are 10, shifted. 2 9s are 18, shifted. 2 zeros are 0 0. Our answer starts from rod number 3 and ends here. So the answer is 031.80. Question number 35, 68.23 multiplied by 5. Placing the left index finger on rod number 3. From right to left, it is 5 6 30, finger shifted. 5 8 40, 40, finger shifted. 5 2s are 10, finger shifted. 5 3s are 15, and the answer is 341.15. Question number 36, 4 multiplied by 71.18. Keeping my left index finger on rod number 3 to begin with. 4 7s are 28, finger shifted. 4 1s are 0, 4, shifted. 4 1s are 0, 4, shifted. And 4 8s are 32. The answer is 284.72. Question number 37, 888.8 multiplied by 9. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 4. From right to left it is 9 8s are 72, finger shifted. 9 8s are 72, finger shifted. 9 8s are 72, finger shifted. And finally 9 8s are 72 again. The answer is 7999.2. 7999.2. Question number 38, 6 multiplied by 906.0. Placing the left index finger on rod number 4. 6 9s are 54, shifted. 6 0s are 0, 0, shifted. 6 6s are 36, shifted. 6 0s are 0, 0, and the answer starts from rod number 4 and ends here. 5436.0. 5436.0. Question number 39, 4746.2 multiplied by 4, beginning from rod number 5 in this case. Now from right to left it is 4 4s are 16, shifted. 4 7s are 28, shifted. 4 4s are 16, shifted. 4 6s are 24, shifted. 4 2s are 0, 8. So we have to read the answer from rod number 5. The answer is 18984.8. Question number 40, 7 multiplied by 9743.5, beginning from rod number 5. 7 9s are 63, finger shifted. 7 7s are 49, shifted. 7 4s are 28, shifted. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 7 5s are 35, and the answer is 68204.5. Question number 41, 7.3 multiplied by 2.8, beginning from rod number 2. 2 7s are 14, shifted. 2 3s are 0, 6. Round 2 begins now from rod number 1. 8 7s are 56, shifted. 8 3s are 24, and the answer is 20.44. Question number 42, 3.35 multiplied by 4.8. Let's place the finger on rod number 2. From right to left it is 4 3s are 12, shifted. 4 3s are 12, shifted. 4 5s are 20. Round 2 begins now. 8 3s are 24, shifted. 8 3s are 24, shifted. 8 5s are 40, and the answer is 16.080. Question number 43, 9.4 multiplied by 9.75, taking rod number 2 to begin with. 9 9s are 81, shifted. 9 7s are 63, shifted. 9 5s are 45. Let's begin round 2 from rod number 1. 4 9s are 36, shifted. 4 7s are 28, shifted. 4 5s are 20, and the answer is 91.650. Question number 44, 667.4 multiplied by 4, placing the left index finger on rod number 4 to begin with. 4 6 are 24, shifted. 4 6 are 24, shifted. 4 7 are 28, shifted. 4 4 are 16, and the answer is 2669.6. Last question of this worksheet, question number 45, 2632.3 multiplied by 9. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 5 to begin with. From right to left, it is 9 2s are 18, shifted. 9 6s are 54, shifted. 9 3s are 27, shifted. 9 2s are 18, shifted. 9 3s are 27, and the answer is 23,690.7.